the Canton Fair, a steady stream of customers visited. Many come in to experience the charm of the streetwear factory and exchange original design concepts. Many were immediately drawn to Rainbow's original designs upon entering the showroom. During their factory tour, customers were full of praise for our intelligent hanging system and streamlined quality control processes, marveling at the perfect integration of technology and garment manufacturing. Furthermore, we have obtained licenses from renowned brands such as Tongwei, Red Bull, and FIFA, and are collaborating with partners to develop these product lines. We look forward to having more partners join us.
I won't quit in this bitch. Won't quit. You know I got six in this bitch. A strap got this in this bitch. Let's get it. Yeah. No, I won't quit in this bitch. Won't quit. No, I get lead in this bitch. I'm feeling like feel.